Ever wondered how an AI might subtly steer you toward a decision? Why one chatbot convinces you to try a new app, while another just sits there? It's wild to think about, but here's the real question. How do these systems pull off persuasion? The answer lies in a breakthrough study that's rewriting the rules of AI influence. Let's start with a big idea. Researchers are using a technique called linear probing. Think of it as a detective's magnifying glass for AI. Instead of brute forcing through a model's layers, they're analyzing how it processes words, ideas, and even emotional cues. This isn't just about what AI says, it's about how it thinks. And the results? They're reshaping our understanding of machine persuasion. Here's the breakdown. The team trained 3 linear probes to track 3 critical dimensions of persuasion. 1. Conversation success. Did the AI actually convince the user? 2. Persuadee's personality. Are they open to new ideas or more risk-averse? 3. AI's tactics. Did it use logic, emotion, or credibility? And here's the twist. These probes aren't just fast, they're as accurate as or better than traditional methods. Imagine analyzing a 100-page book by scanning every sentence. These tools let you zoom in on the exact moment a conversation shifts, like catching a pivot in a debate. What did they find? Let's dive into the data. When testing real and AI-generated conversations, a pattern emerged. Human persuasion often peaks mid-conversation, while AI tends to save its strongest arguments for the end. It's like a human giving a speech with a slow build, versus an AI dropping its knockout punch last. They also uncovered personality-driven insights. For example, extroverted users responded better to emotional appeals, while introverts leaned on logical arguments. It's like the AI is tailoring its approach in real time, without a single human whispering, "Hey, this person likes stories." Why does this matter? Imagine AI tools that adapt to your mindset during a therapy session, or educational bots that adjust their teaching style based on your learning habits. But there's a catch. If AI can persuade, can it manipulate? This research isn't just about building smarter tools, it's about asking, how do we ensure these systems stay ethical? The study's real magic lies in its methodology. Researchers created synthetic conversations, fake but realistic chats between users and AI. They simulated scenarios like a friend, convincing someone to volunteer, or a salesperson pitching a product. By mixing traits like low agreeableness, stubbornness, and high neuroticism, anxiety, they tested how AI adapts. Here's the kicker. AI didn't just react to surface-level cues. When faced with a resistant user, it analyzed arguments deeply, not just flipping a switch. It's like watching a machine mimic human critical thinking, except it's doing it at light speed. Let's talk numbers. The team compared 3 AI models. 1. No context, single sentences. 2. Hold 1-2, immediate prior message. 3. Full context, entire conversation. The winners? The full context model, which identified persuasive moments 91% of the time. Without context, models were like detectives missing clues, confused and off track. But how do these models really work? Researchers use token ablation, removing words one by one to see how it affects judgment. Deleting a word like "no" in a negative response could flip a message from unpersuasive to persuasive. Meanwhile, positive words like "okay" had less impact, suggesting the model picks up on broader cues. Think of the AI as a detective. It's not just looking at individual clues, words, but how they fit into the bigger picture, the conversation. The study also found that analyzing middle to late layers of processing, like focusing on the most critical moments, gave the best results. So what's next? This isn't just about code or data. It's about equipping AI to handle something deeply human, the art of persuasion. When a student debates a case or a CEO crafts a pitch, there's more than facts at play. There's strategy, emotion, and subtle cues. By using tools like linear probing, researchers are peeking inside AI's mind to see if it's grasping these dynamics. The implications: tools that help people communicate better, spot biases, or even refine their own arguments. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into how AI learns to persuade, hit subscribe. And let me know in the comments, do you think AI should be allowed to persuade us? Let's chat.